My name is Lance Jones, crane operator out here at State Service. I'm a crane operator for this Link-Belt 348. We operate this crane around this 40-acre yard, walking it around, pick up steel and pipe, pre-built steel, which can be up to 60,000 pounds. We put pipe in the rack up to 70,000 pounds. The machine is nice. I do like link belts. This one, we got it brand new. All the controls are good in it. Computer's nice. You got dials for the winch speeds, make it go faster or slower. Doing a critical pick, just slow it down and fine tune everything real nice. This crane does real good with the heavy lifts, 8 parts of line. Got a good line pull of 34,600 pounds. I got a 190 foot of boom, so I can get from shortest 50 foot all the way out to 180 foot. And I still got a pretty good chart out that far. We have good control on everything with it. It's a good speed. We're doing heavy lift. I would recommend them to a bunch of operators. They run real good. Today we lifted 65,000 pound, 80 foot joint, 42-inch pipe and put it in the rack safely. The crane had no problems with it. I was able to fine tune the controls so everything would go smooth. We're going to a pretty tight quarters with the pipe. Everything went smooth and safe. I really enjoyed running the machine. I've got 1,250 hours, and it's been working pretty much around the clock on this job since we got it. We got 4 cameras on it. That's real nice to have. Very important to have the cameras for the winches so you can watch them. They don't get messed up or out of whack or anything. You can watch it inch down little by little. They're real nice to have. The lighting's good on it, inside and outside. I was able to see everything real good, to see all the controls real good, and the computer screen is lit good. We do get in tight quarters with pipe and the iron, and they do need very little, like inch at a time. That's what's good about the crane too, is you can fine tune the controls down, run them real smooth. We've done a lot of pick and carries out here, and it's real good. It's smooth, it cuts real good, tracks real good. Yeah, we picked and carried, and my heaviest was 70,000 so far. It's real smooth, it cuts real smooth. The crane can do multi-functions with the swing and boom and hoist. They all work pretty smooth when you do them all at once. It does have alarms in it for the swing and tracking. Every once in a while I'll use them when we get into tight quarters. There's an inside alarm too for your anti-2 blocks and your boom over hoist. Everybody is safe. The crane did exceed my expectations. I really enjoy the link belt. It's working real good for this job site. This 300-ton unit is a pretty good crane for this job. It can pick everything that we got out here with ease. You can fit into, track width is like 30 foot, so you can get into pretty tight spaces. And I like the link belt screens. They're simple, they're easy. It has all your info right there. You don't gotta do anything else with them. Everything's there for you. The camera screen's good too that I have in there. It's real bright and you can see everything very well on them. I think they're a pretty stout crane for what they can do, especially the 348. It has very good load chart. We're running the 190 and that's a pretty good load chart for a 300-ton crane. So I would recommend the link belt cranes. They're a good crane.